Your next coaching course could go live this week without hiring developers or buying extra software or duct taping different tools together. Did you know you can build, sell, and deliver your entire training program directly inside of HighLevel? Coaches, consultants, agencies, and course creators are turning their knowledge into recurring revenue using HighLevel's memberships, payments, and communities to launch full programs in a single ecosystem. From uploading your lessons to setting your pricing to enrolling your clients, everything happens inside one platform, fast, simple, and built for growth. Let me show you how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub account, you want to come down to memberships on the bottom left hand side and then come up to courses. Then when you scroll down to products, this is the hub where you can create your course products. To create one, you simply click on this button here, start from scratch, give your course a title, add a description, and then click on upload thumbnail. Once you've done that, you can click on set up pricing, and if you'd like, you can change the offer title. And then once you've connected your payment system, you can offer the course as free, recurring, or one time. Then you can adjust your billing period, set your prices, add trial days, and then click on create course. And there we go. There is so much flexibility that you can do inside this course creator. Like on the left hand side, you can see the outline, change the details, customize it however you like, add or change offers, manage comments, manage credentials, and manage the community groups. I'm going to come back to outline. Then when you click on course contents and come down to the first lesson, you can upload your media, customize each lesson with the thumbnails, add downloadable resources, and add a description. Once you're happy, click on save, and then that lesson is done. So you can do that for all the different lessons. And once you've completed your course, you can always come down to offers and adjust or create a new offer. What's so great about this is that you can add it straight to a community that you can also make inside of HighLevel. And you can very easily do that by coming up to communities over here, coming down to groups, and then creating your group. It's a very simple process. You just fill in the information, add your cover images, and then click on create group. Once you do that, it will look something like this, where you and your clients can log straight into, and where you can add your course, where people can look at it or purchase it from one group. They would find that in the learning tab at the top over here. You simply click on add course, attach the course that you created. In my case, it was food hacks, and then you can charge for the course directly inside the community. Do that by clicking this button, setting your price, set the billing period, and then click on add course. And just like that, it will be an option inside the community. And that's how you can build, sell, and deliver your expertise entirely inside of HighLevel with one dashboard for your lessons, your payments, and your student community. For more information about this or other HighLevel features, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, blog, and help docs. The link's on the description below.